Hello guys, today we will discuss about the project that is Merlin Lab. So let's start. Merlin Lab is a auto compounding yield farming on Binance Smart Chain. As you can see, the Binance Smart Chain is a wonderful blockchain network that is growing day by day. So Merlin Lab is providing different pair of profit for farming. You can farm, you can stake, you can your tokens and earn huge profit from Merlin Lab. Total value of 212 million locked and deposited in Merlin Lab website, and there is different investor investing in this project. Merlin Lab is providing a good opportunity for investor and giving us different pairs of for staking. You can earn via staking by farming Merlin token, and you can earn Merlin and BNB LP token, and you can earn Cake MERL token. You can earn BNB and Ethereum BTCB. As you can see, the price of Merlin Lab is growing day by day, as you can buy from PancakeSwap. So this is a good opportunity for investors and for new traders. So you can also participate in lottery system, where you can participate through your tokens. You should have to different some token of MERL. After that you can participate in the lottery system. As you will see in future, different new products will be launched, especially NFT, and also will be a big project in future. So you can buy from PancakeSwap, and soon Merlin Lab will be listed in bigger exchanges. You will see, and your profit will be high in the Merlin Lab system. As you can see, 1.2 million tokens locked in Merlin segment, where you can earn APR 165.93 in this pair. After that, you can see MERL token, or you can lock your token, where you can earn BNB, Ethereum and BTCB, where you can earn APR 172.5. and below you can see you can lock your token with MERL and BNB LP token, and you will earn MERL token, and your APR will be 275. And you can also farm your Cake token, and you will earn Cake plus MERL token. So there are different pair, and day by day is growing in this network. So you can join their social media channels for more information. You can see and read their website, and about documents you will see this project will be big project in coming days. Thank you for watching my video.